Measure a tutor right in the cream. Shawty this shit so I feel like the dream. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. 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 Fuck up the sack every day on the regular. Creeping the sky out the window, the nebula. I'm getting plays on the cellular. These nigga bitches run stories like editors. Hop in the drop and go nuts.
Yes, sir. It's t-shirt booming. Tap in if you need merch printed. We got 15 shirts for $150. That includes the t-shirt and your logo printed. 30 shirts for $270 and 50 for $400. Yo, what's up? It's Enrique from Milwaukee Screen Printing. T-shirt booming. And today we got a super dope video. We're going to be teaching you all how to code a screen. So as a owner of a small business here in Milwaukee, it's really important for me to be a part of the community and give back to my local community. And one way that I do that is I offer internships to young people. And the way that we pay these young people are through our profits. So we take a percentage of our profits and invest it back into the young people in learning 21st century skills, developing a new skill such as screen printing, and just becoming more equipped for the workforce after they graduate high school or even college. And it's really important that I invest back into the community, because without the community there wouldn't be Milwaukee Screen Printing. So in this video, Fabian, an intern here at Milwaukee Screen Printing, will be teaching you all how to coat a screen with emulsion. So check it out.
What's up, guys? We're here in the dark room at Oat Screen Printing Milwaukee. Today I'm going to walk you guys through coating the screens. Really important step for screen printing. First thing you're going to need is a screen coater. Looks like this. Then you're going to need some emulsion. This is a gallon of emulsion, and as you can see, we're in the dark. This can't be exposed to UV rays or else it's ruined and you can't screen print with it. So you got to do this step in the dark. And then you got to evenly pour it into the scoop coater. Make sure no extra residue gets everywhere. This stuff can get really messy, so just want to make sure you stay clean. Damn. Make sure to put the lid right back on. You don't want too much light getting on it. Alright, and once you have your emulsion poured, get your screen. You want to hold it down, get it firm. And you're going to press the coater against the screen really firm and slide it up where you hear a zipping noise. And you want to get an even coat against the screen, nice and flat. As you can see, I pulled it up. You heard a zip, maybe. I heard it. You just want to make sure you have tension against the screen. And at the end, you cut it off. As you can see, it's a nice flat layer. I'm going to turn it around, do that again. At the end, you want to tilt it back. Cut the emulsion off. Then we're going to do it again, this side. And I do 2 coats on each side. Cut it off. This side's nice and coated. This side again. And there's one coated screen. Now I'm going to throw it in this rack, leave it to dry. Alright, here's the second screen. Show you guys how to coat it. Grab it firm, put it down, get your scoop holder, press it firmly against, and then tilt it. And then you're gonna wait for the emulsion to hit the screen, and then you drag it up nice and firm. Where you hear that zip. And then you'll get a nice even coat, which is what you need. You don't want any bubbles, any big lumps, because that makes the emulsion hard to dry. Cut it off at the top, turn it around, do the exact same thing. Second layer on the back side. Cut it off. There you have it. Nice evenly coated screen. Ready for image, or ready to be dried. Oh shit, wait up. Ready to get dried, and then ready for an image. Oh shit. Now I just gotta do that about 4 more times, or now I gotta do that about 4 more times. We're good. All right, we're downstairs, about to coat this screen. Let's get it. Get the scoop coater, put it firmly against the screen, and then drag it up so you hear a zip noise.
A good looking rapper, I ain't lying to you. I'm a good looking rapper, I ain't lying to you. You might see me in a Bentley painted royal blue with a white interior on a set of 22s. I'm a jalapeno boy, hottest cayenne pepper. I'm from New Orleans City, but I take it to wherever. I'm tougher than leather, I'm smoother than suede. Always never broke, cause I'm usually paid. Got the Rover with the cage, kinda brown off beige. Everybody look at me like I'm riding on stage. Got a woman named Sage, she twice my age.
Excess, just pour it back into the bucket. Want to save as much as you can, stuff's expensive. Alright, we're back upstairs, not in the dark room anymore. Gonna hurry up, spray this with some emulsion remover, hit it with water, because if any of this were to dry in the scoop coater, it'd be unusable and I'd have to throw it away. These are like $30. If you're a businessman, you're a business person, all that stuff adds up. So you make sure you clean this off and get it right. Oh shit, we got the water. Oh, that's still working. Now I'm just rinsing it with water.
How's this look?
Oh yeah. Water's hot. Alright, I sprayed it with some water. Just spray some emulsion remover in there. Break the emulsion down. Water's hot. Shit, boiling water, bro. As you can see, we got most of the emulsion off. Spray some more emulsion remover in there. Just gonna run the water through it. Make sure no more emulsion's washing off. And then I'm gonna run the water through it until there's no more bubbles. Want to make sure all the emulsion remover's out of there. If some of the emulsion remover stays in there, it'll mess up the next time, the next new order. And then I'm just gonna fill it up with water, let it sit here, and about an hour or two, come back, wipe it down, be completely, and then once it's dry, it's completely ready for the new order, or a new order. Good.
Yo, so now that you all know how to coat a screen with emulsion, I hope that you can take what you learn and apply it to starting your screen printing business, whether it's something that you want to do serious or something you want to do as a hobby. Please subscribe, like this video, and add a comment if you have any questions on how to do this. We will be making more tutorial videos on how to screen print, and just stay in tune. Thank you.